Uh, Good morning, teacher, everyone. My name is Julian David Velázquez Grimaldo, and I am now student in English 5. Today I want to share one of my biggest dreams for the future. This presentation is about my Europa dream deep. A future adventure that I'm really looking forward to. As in mentioning, my name is Julian David Velázquez Grimaldo, and I am currently studying law and taking leads English 5 on one of the main items on my personal booking list is to travel to Europa, and I am excited to tell you more about it today. Yes, my big wish is to travel to Europa. This dream is linking to an important academic goal. If I finish in my doctorate in education, it will immediately plan my trip to Europe. I was about a year and a half left to plan my doctorate. Um, so the dream is waiting to closer. Yes. When in Europa, I plan to enjoy amazing food. For example, delicious paella will be at in Spain. I can't wait to try it. Or a trendy pizza and pasta will be sour in Italy. I want to visit Venezia and eat dirt. And of course, refusing it will be in your my Germany. Probably is with some traditional food. I had a reality starting is share searching place to visit. My travel agent and beside me that we needs a math series in nation it's Italia. Many friends to have traveled also to my data kind of Venezia or big trekking and unique experience. I had both is explain the history of the Yuri Europa city in Curry the Dirch. So I plan to learn or tour in my trip. And thank you.